Is it filming?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? This is Darylyn with Nobori Auto Backyard. I'm trying to be like Sean. Did I nail it?
100%.
Today we are going to go over my new car. It's a Subaru Forester 2020 and it only had 384 miles. I can't believe it. My old Forester, the red one, had 5 miles when I got it. But it also didn't look like this. All right, let's do a walk around. This is what I like to call a dislocated tire. It's gonna need a facelift. As you can see, the spindle is decapitated. This is what we like to call a decapitated spindle. This piece is supposed to go to that piece. It ain't there. It's not there. So that broken. It also needs a new strut. If you notice, there's an X on this and there's an X on the spindle here. The body shop that had it previously did a really great job marking all of the parts of the Sean says vehicle that need to be fixed or whatever. So as you can see, all this crap, all that denty crap marked. That denty crap marked. This denty crap marked. This crap marked. All right, and then it also needs a CV axle. Right here, this homie. He don't look too happy, so we gotta replace that. Once we do that, obviously, this will kind of go up into its home. Go to your home! Into its home. All right, as we can see, the front end of the vehicle is totally fine, so let's move on to the other side. Just kidding. Yeah, I mean, we need a bumper. Found it. On top of needing a bumper, this doesn't have an X on it because you can't X something that's not there. It needs a headlight right here, and it needs a fender because that's also missing. So fender, headlight, bumper, which is over there, and
Pull that and lift that up.
let's look under the hood. Oh my gosh! What? That's a straight up bird's nest. Did you know that was there?
Yeah.
I don't want to. Ew, you touched it.
It's freaking probably like a little baby bird that's chilling in
Dude,
there.
this is what happens when people litter. Their litter goes into bird's nest. I'm pretty sure that's tape, like boxing tape. What the heck is that? That looks like a piece of
Saran wrap.
corn out of somebody's back tooth. Oh my, look at all that plastic.
They did a pretty good job.
Dude, that is a legit nest.
Hey look, there's the shell.
Nuh-uh. That is a shell.
It's a robin. It's blue.
It is blue.
Yeah, it's a robin's nest.
Hopefully that means it survived. Is that the guts? That's from the guts. So under the hood, it's gonna need some pressure washing. It's a tongue twister. Pressure washing. But with 384 miles, it's pretty much good to go. As you can see, this screen thing wasn't even affected. So everything behind it is also good to go. What's that called again?
Screen thing.
What's the screen called?
The radiator.
The radiator.
AC condenser.
AC condenser.
Yeah, radiator.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's move on. Over here, we got somebody having a bad day. So, pretty sure we're gonna need some new. I don't think we need new wheels, do we? Just new tires?
That one's got a little scratch, but no.
Yeah, it's a little scratch, but I'm not that picky. So, we also probably want to preserve that spider's nest there because spiders really help get rid of mosquitoes, and I hate them. See, this is a Subaru Forester Sport. It has that orange detailing down here, and on the inside it's got some more orange detailing, which we'll get to when we get there. It's pretty sick, sickety sick. The only thing I don't know is Subaru Forester Sports don't come in red. Red is my all-time favorite color. So I am trying to convince Sean to paint it red, because then I'm the only one that would have a red Subaru Forester Sport 2020, because all the other Subaru Foresters are not red. They're like burgundy or like kind of that darker, like my old one. So in the comments below, please beg Sean to paint it red for his sweet old wife. All right, let's come around the back. As you can see, we need a back bumper. Once again, found it. The good thing is that where'd you get this IAA? At Copart, they like to shove all the parts that have fallen off the car into the trunk of the car, which is like a really awesome thing, because then you have the parts. I don't even know how to do this.
It's all electronic, like the battery's dead.
How do I open it?
Well, they put the jumper box up to it.
Oh, but in the back of the headrest, there's like a huge dent from when they shoved in some of the parts. So it's kind of a bummer. Sometimes they mess up the interior, but at least we don't have to purchase a new bumper, and I think one of the headlights was good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so back here we just need a bumper, and we got some markings here. And here, as you can see, that's a very clear indicator of a marking, so I don't think they marked it because it's very obviously marked. And the straw right here seems to be doing okay. Oh, this quarter panel has a big whale's fin on it, so Sean's gonna try to buff that sucker out. I think he can, for sure. But yeah, so yeah, quarter panel, we're gonna try to buff it out. We're gonna salvage the quarter panel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna salvage it because it's not looking too bad. It's having a medium day, and I'm medium most of the time. So we'll leave it at that. And if you wanna come on inside, I'll show you all of this really cool orange stitching that comes with the Sport. It's got the bucket seats, orange stitching here. That's red, that's normal. Orange situation in the middle. You also know it's a Sport edition because it says Sport on the mats. Pretty good indicator right there. So we got side curtain airbag that deployed on both sides, as you can see, that Sean and I will replace because I'm gonna help him with this project because it's gonna be my car. I know we've gone through this before, you guys. I went through the walk around with that green Forester and we were all excited that we were gonna redo my car, but this is the actual car that I'm actually going to keep. We wanted a 2020, we wanted a low mile family car. I wanted red, but obviously it didn't come in red. Put it in the comments below. Put it in the comments. And this is it. So this is gonna be our family car. This is gonna be my daily driver forever. Forever. All right, one more thing it needs is seatbelt retractors. As you can see, they are completely dead. And a little bit of a detail, because that is a spider web.
Which is annoying.
Yeah, all the seatbelt retractors locked out. So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seatbelt retractors. Oh, guess what else it came with? A pack of gum. So, funny story. I can't believe I'm touching it because it has literally been there since we got it. Sean got another car from auction and it legit had the exact kind of gum in the car, but it was a brand new pack. It was a brand new pack. And guess what he's been eating ever since? He's been chewing on that gum that he found in the car. Gross.
Yum, yum, yum.
So gross. Maybe you should eat some of this. This is the little bump I was telling you guys about, the indent in the back of the headrest. I know it doesn't look like a big deal, but it's a brand new car, y'all. You know, I want it to be perfect. This little guy needs to go to its home. Right there. So that one just goes there, fixed. And the headliner has to come out anyway, so Sean will fix that. And fix that. But yeah, as you can see in the trunk here, this is where they shove everything, which is awesome because then you don't lose anything, but it kind of stinks because it, you know, there's like dents and scrapes and stuff from all the parts.
Did you notice this is bamboo?
I love that.
Japanese.
This is bamboo.
Yeah, look, it goes all the way.
It's so Asian. I love this car. It needs to be red.
Yeah.
But I do like the pearly white.
Pearly white's awesome.
But I feel like the pearly white's a little bit of a mom car color.
No.
Guys, comment below. Do you think that the pearly white Forester is too much of a mom car?
Nope. Sick.
You know the bar that you pull out that you can like cover the stuff in your trunk with?
Cargo cover.
The cargo cover. Anyway, in every other car I've ever had, anytime I took the cargo cover down, I just had to like throw it in the trunk. But the cool thing about this car is that under the trunk mat, there is a spot for the cargo cover. So if I ever want to take it down, it's nice and clean and put in its little home, and it can stay there and not get in the way. It's pretty cool.
Is she actually gonna put it in there though?
Yeah.
Darylyn just found the missing piece to the headlight, the driver's side one. They left it in there, and there was only one tab broken, and here it is.
Alright, as you can see, most of the damage is front end, but because the radiator and AC condenser weren't affected, everything behind it is pretty solid. So, brand new car happening here, just a little bit of body work, and then it's fine forever. What's this?
No, the door's on its way.
Oh, there's a missing door right here. I didn't even say that because I'm just so used to it. There's a missing door, the door is on its way, parts are coming. And yeah, then Sean will be like the Tetris man.
And hopefully not procrastinate.
He won't procrastinate because I will kill him. Well guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for being such great fans. Followers. Who says fans? Followers of the channel, and waiting for our new project that's going to be so awesome. And I really am going to help Sean on this project. I said that a lot in a lot of videos that I'm going to help, and then I don't. It's because it takes longer because Sean has to teach me instead of just doing it. But I think it'll be a fun project for us to do together while we're here quarantined. And we actually met one of our followers.
Yeah, in Vegas.
In Vegas. It was so cool. We're at our anniversary trip. You guys know we take an anniversary trip because the last anniversary trip that we vlogged, my alternator went out in my red Subaru Forester, my old one. Anyway, so we went back to Vegas, and in the pool we met somebody who was a follower of Nobori. It was awesome. Do you guys want to see that video? Comment below if you guys want to see the video of our last anniversary trip. It is straight up vlog. We did not have car problems, thank goodness, so there is no car stuff going on, but it's like a pretty cool vlog memory video of the Sean and Darylyn variety show. We went down water slides, we swam a lot, we ate a lot. It's pretty much what we do in Vegas. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, guys. We'll see you on the next one.